Now we're gonna hook this up. So I'm gonna get the hitch all installed and we're going to hook it up so you can kind of see what happens when you hook it up and how we can double check that we're all level. All right, we're gonna hook her up. I'm gonna raise this up. One of the nice things about these demcos is it'll auto latch, and so now we're gonna drop it onto the ball. Perfect. So now we're gonna drop it onto the ball. And in this case, I'm going to need to air up my air hitch, since we have an air hitch. So we're gonna put a little air in it since it's an air hitch and get the air hitch level. It's gonna come up a little bit. So I aired it until it it compresses the front side or the tailgate side bump cushion a little bit. And now if we look at our level here, our trailer is still level. And so our setup is about perfect, and it's time to hook up the chains, check our lights, and go smooth towing. If you want to learn more about safer, smoother towing, join us at shockerhitch.com.